Imagine asking your AI for advice. It knows your customers, it uses your approach, it gives you ideas that sounds like they come from the brain, not generic advice. And all this without attaching files, pasting prompts, reminding the AI stuff about your business, yourself, your brand for the 100th time. That's what an AI growth engine does. Think of it like this. You have a filing system, everything organized, easy to find, versus hunting through a messy desk. Your business knowledge is organized according to proven working business frameworks so that the AI knows exactly where to find what it needs. Now, ChatGPT and Claude have memory, right? But it's not even close to what an AI growth engine does, because you can't control what they remember. You can't control how they use the memory. Memory in ChatGPT and Claude is like a black box. The opposite, the AI growth engine gives you complete control. And here is the best part. The setup is already built. All the templates, folder setup, the complete system, it's done for you. You just add your specific business detail. In this video, I show it all. I break down the setup. AI growth engine is the end of generic AI, because most people using AI for business face the same frustration, right? Generic advice, no brand consistency, constant context setting, surface level insights, disconnected responses, and team inconsistency. And most of the time, the AI has no idea of what makes you unique, who your customers are, what is your strategic positioning, and really how your business actually works. So the solution to this is the AI growth engine. See it as a specialized AI system that as an advanced degree in your specific business. So you're moving from generic ChatGPT to a specialized business advisor who knows everything about your business. I call it my AI business partner, by the way. My AI growth engine is my co-founder, my business partner. He shared the same vision with me, the same deep understanding of my business and what it is today and what we are building it to become. We both know the critical details. Which customers we serve, why they choose us, how to acquire and convert customers, what strategies we are testing to improve our conversions, how to retain customer and increase lifetime value, all the operational details that make the business run, everything. But here is what makes these AI partners ideal. This partner won't quit when things get tough. It won't sell their share or lose interest. It won't have an ego battle or get stubborn about disagreement. It will be collaborative, trustworthy by design, always aligned with your vision. But there is more, because this partner keeps you accountable. It ensures that every decision you make is aligned with the business priorities, the long-term vision, and the business best interest. Moreover, it's relentless. It can access and process information way faster, more comprehensively than you alone or me alone, than any human could. It's really like having a second brain expanding your capabilities. So you keep the creativity, the intuition, the strategic vision, your unique way of seeing opportunities. Your AI growth engine documents your thinking, refines it, helps you go further, and challenges you to clarify your vision. That's the AI growth engine, your ideal business partner, built for you and your business. So let's see what it knows about your business, how it structures its knowledge base. It will know your unique positioning and competitive differentiation, your customers, their problems, their goal, their objections, their limiting belief, etc. Your offer, product, and how you deliver them, your brand voice, communication style, your strategies, frameworks, and methodologies. And all this knowledge lives in knowledge-based files that your AI can access anytime. And you know what the best part? These files, they are not structured randomly. I've put in them battle-tested frameworks I've collected all along my careers. These are frameworks I've learned, I've earned for more than 10 years. Some of them I got from the best business advisor or business experts. I've used them, refined them in my own business. So this is not just ChatGPT stuff. That's the real deal. And let me tell you something. The AI growth engine is the AI-powered system I use daily in my business. Most likely, the system I use most among all the AI-powered system I've built, the team of AI assistants, custom GPs, and so on. That's the one that I'm using the most and that are providing me with the most value. So let me show you the 3-layer architecture of the AI growth engine system. First, you have the knowledge base. This is where you see the information about your brand voice, unique positioning, business strategy, custom functions. Custom functions, these are specific capabilities, stuff that the AI growth engine can do and you can trigger them. It has also customer profile, product offer, funnel, and also customer journey, all that. See it as the brain. Then you have the system prompt. That's the engine. That's the operating system. It explains the AI growth engine what file to use when, how to use this knowledge file, when to reference what, how to maintain brand voice, how to provide specific advice. Like, see it as behavior shaping of your AI growth engine. And finally, there is the interface, and that can be ChatGPT custom GPTs, that can be ChatGPT project, that can be Claude Code project, that can be Gemini gems, that can be Grok workspace, I think they call that way, or they can be Claude Code systems, or that can be a folder inside your Claude Code environment. Once again, it's platform agnostic because the building blocks of the AI growth engine can be deployed in any AI environment. And really, the magic happens because everything is connected. The brain, the behavior, or the operating system, and the experience, the user experience, so that you feel good working with your AI growth engine, and you working with your AI growth engine in the AI interface you are so used to. Let's see how it looks like working with the AI growth engine, how the information flows. Typically, you have a question, or you're working on a project, or you have something in mind you want to work on, or you want to discuss with your AI growth engine. So you ask your question, you give context, you speak to it. I personally speak to my AI growth engine. I just use my voice. I don't prompt any longer. I just speak. Hey, I want to do this. Hey, I want to do that. Hey, I have this in mind. Or what do you think about this? Or let me give you some context about that. And then what happens is that the AI uses the system prompt to analyze it, retrieve the right knowledge that is relevant for the context or the task you want it to do for you, and then process your inquiries with the right knowledge to give you an answer or to do stuff for you. And it's specific, brand aligned, and it has the relevant context about your business to nail the job. Let me show you some example of my AI growth engine. I have, for instance, this ChatGPT project is my AI growth engine on ChatGPT. Okay, and you can see using it a lot. But I also have a custom GPT. That's the same. That's my AI growth engine as well. Why I'm using a custom GPT? So that I can call it in workflows I'm working on with other custom GPTs. And I had an old one in Claude. This one was a previous version. I'm not working so much on Claude desktop or Claude, the cloud app, but this was my AI growth engine when I was working in Claude. And you can see I use it a lot, but it's a bit old now. I have a better version now, and that's what I'm showing you right now. Now I'm working a lot with my AI growth engine inside Claude Code. So let me show you that. That's that one. My AI growth engine is there with the knowledge base, system prompt, everything ready, and I can access it from anywhere. When I'm working with Claude Code, I can access my growth engine from anywhere. So that's the way it looks like. It's really platform agnostic. You can use it in any main vendor AI platform. That's the power of it as well. So what does it change in your business? Now you have different use cases. I use it for content creation so that I can have my voice. I can ensure that the content I'm creating is aligned with my business priorities, is aligned with my target avatar profile. I do it for customer support as well because that's context about my business. For instance, my AI growth engine knows every modules inside my CCGG community. So it can use this knowledge to craft better answers or guide community members, for instance. I use it a lot for strategic planning. Why? Because it knows my plan, my way of making money, my long-term and short-term strategies, and so on. So it's so useful to make some strategic decision or to implement new initiatives in my business. I use it a lot for sales support as well. Why? For instance, to create offers, proposal, lead magnets, and all that. I use it for marketing campaign, to create emails, to put some specific elements of my business, to create good email sequences. I use it for team training when I'm working with some other people and I need to feed them with some information about my business. My AI growth engine can prepare that in seconds. And of course, I use it for product development, developing new offers, new courses, or new product. That's 7 tangible use case I'm using heavily the AI growth engine. And really it changed my life because back in the day when I was working with ChatGPT, I had to remind ChatGPT about this stuff. I had to have files that I feed ChatGPT over and over again. It was so ineffective, but now it's finished. I have an AI business partner that knows everything about my business. And the beauty of it is that you can make the AI growth engine evolve as you evolve as a business owner or as your business is evolving. It's a living system. If you have a new offer, you just update the right knowledge files. That's it. You have a new customer segment, same. You just add them to the avatar knowledge file. You have refined your positioning. Hey, you can update your strategic foundation file. And doing this, the AI has always access to your current situation and to current business information. So if you want to build your AI growth engine, your AI strategic business partner, I show you exactly how to do it in the next module inside CCGG community. There is a short but super effective course to show you exactly what to do. I give you the resources, I give you the templates. For the knowledge base, I give you the system prompt. You can copy paste and just tweak a bit. That's the very same I'm used for myself, for my own AI growth engine. I show you how to deploy it in ChatGPT, in Claude, or in Claude Code, and I show you how to maintain it in an effective manner. So if you want to build your AI growth engine really quick, fast, and benefit from this AI-powered business partner right away, I see you inside CCGG community, link below in the description.